This tutorial bird fly, I've already imported the three images I'm going to be using. So the first thing I'm going to do is to actually create a new symbol. And this new symbol, I'll call it bird. I'll leave it as a movie clip. Okay? That's my symbol. That's why I've created this symbol. You can always extend it, but I don't need this. So I'll take it back. So that's the name of my movie clip. And there it is there. It's right here. So the next thing I'm going to do is get the first bird. That bird one, get the bird. There we go. You can make sure it's right there in the middle. If you want, you can always use the arrow key just to straighten it up. Then come to frame 5 and set F7. Drag bird 2. Bird dead in the center. Frame 12. Sorry, frame 10. Let's use 10. F7 and drag 3 there. Frame 15, bed 1, frame 20, F7, bed 2, frame 25, F7, so bed 3. For frame 30, you can just copy, press F5. And that's it. That's your animation. So if you want, you can just try it out. That's what you get. Okay, look at it. That's what you get. So that's the frame is actually at 12 frames per second. You can always take it back to, let's say, 24, and let's see what's gonna happen. Okay, you see that. So next thing you need to do is go to your scene, which is right here. Click on it. Okay, double click on this. Okay, so that you can get to your scene right there. Sometimes if you can't find your scene, it will be right here. You go to other panel, that's your scene right there. Okay. Now to get to the timeline, select the timeline. That's the timeline there. You now have the movie clip you just created, which is right there. Drag the movie clip, drag it on board, and that's it right there. So all you then need to do now is, instead of you creating your own timeline, you can always go to motion presets and just select. Let's see, you can select any of these predefined animation. You can select this and just all you then need to do is apply. Click on apply. That's the one I've selected. Zoom out 3D, apply. Once I click on apply, in case you guys can see that, let's see, maybe you can see it properly. Scroll right down. There it is. Click on apply, and that's it. It's applied to my animation already. So it's either you play it, test the scene, see what you've done so far. So far, that's what we've done. Okay, so for you to make it look more professional, you can then go back into your animation. You can go back into it, define, and just do your own thing. If you let it look like the bird actually flew into the vanishing point. Let's see right there. Okay, you see that? Let me move it back a little bit. Okay, so if you want, you can also reduce the frame per second to about 12 just to speed it up. So let me test the movie now. Test, testing the same, and that's what you get. See the bed? You see that? The bed actually flew straight into the vanishing point. Okay. The next thing you can do is if you want, you can then create more layer. Okay. Let's create maybe one or two more layer or just one more layer. So that's my first bed that went straight into the vanishing point. Okay. Just to make it look like flux of bed actually flying across. And this is let me lock on the very first one. The second one, now drag more beds straight there. Okay. Movie clips there. So with movie clip, I can also apply my zoom out 3D. Okay. Okay. So that's all for this tutorial, folks.